Welcome back to The Quiet Creator, your hub for AI tools and tutorials. Today, I'll show you a fast and simple way to make $100 a day using ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. No coding, no investment, just smart use of AI. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a money-making machine when used correctly. You can use it to write, design, brainstorm, solve problems, and even automate client work. People are already making hundreds daily offering AI-powered services online, and you can too. In this video, I'll give you a proven method you can start today. The fastest way to earn $100 a day is to sell a digital service that ChatGPT can help you deliver. Here are 3 easy options. Blog writing. Offer SEO blog posts. Charge $20, $50 per article. Social media captions. Offer a week's worth of captions for $25, $40. Product. Descriptions. Write 10 to 20 Amazon or Shopify. Product descriptions for $50. Pick one to get started. Don't overthink. Just choose the one that sounds easiest for you. Once you have your service, let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Here's how. Blog post example prompt. Write a 1,000-word blog post about top 10 travel hacks for beginners. Include SEO-friendly headers. ChatGPT writes it in seconds. You can lightly edit and deliver it to your client. Social captions example prompt. Write 7 Instagram captions for a fitness coach with emojis and hashtags. Boom. Done. You can charge real money for this, and it's fully AI powered. Now let's talk about where to find clients. Fiverr. Create a gig offering your AI-powered writing services. Upwork. Apply to jobs offering blog writing or social media help. Facebook groups join business or e-commerce groups and offer help. Cold email DMs. Message local businesses or online shops and offer a free sample. Tip. Say you use AI tools for speed and quality. Most clients will love it if the price is right. Once you get an order, use ChatGPT to generate the content fast. Then, review for accuracy, run it through Grammarly use. Canva to format if needed, deliver on time. Clients care about quality plus speed. That's exactly what AI gives you. Bonus. Add your personal touch to make content stand out. Let's say you charge $25 per blog, $35 for social content, $50 for product descriptions. You only need 2 to 4 small jobs per day to hit $100. Once you get 5-star reviews, you'll get more orders, and you can increase your rates. You can even build a Fiverr agency and let ChatGPT handle 90% of the work. Let's take John, a Fiverr freelancer. He uses ChatGPT to write blogs. He charges $30 per 700-word article. Gets 4 to 5 orders a day, and makes over $100 consistently. All with ChatGPT handling the writing. You can do the same. Just stay consistent, improve your prompts, and deliver quality. ChatGPT is a tool, but you are the one using it smartly. Pick a simple service, offer it with confidence, and let AI speed up your delivery. Want more AI money-making tips like this? Hit that like button, subscribe to The Quiet Creator, and check the description for free prompt templates to get started today. Thanks for watching. Now, go make your first $100.